Dear students, let's start our second paragraph. On sour cream walls, donations. Shakespeare heads, cloudless at dawn. Civilized dome, riding all cities. Belled, flowery, troilus valley. Open handed map, awarding the world its world. And yet, for these children, these windows, not this map, their world, where all their futures painted with a fog, a narrow street sealed in with the lead sky, far, far from rivers, capes, and stars of woods. So, dear students, in this stanza, the poet describes the dirty classroom. On sour cream walls, it means the walls of the classroom they are dull, they are pale, and they are dirty, and it gives an unpleasant feelings also. Next, the word is donation. Actually, the names of the people who have given donations are displayed on the walls of this classroom. Shakespeare heads, and next there is a picture of William Shakespeare on the wall. Then, cloudless at dawn, civilized dome riding all cities, the pictures of domes of big cities represent the quality of life. So, that is also on one of the walls. And, dear students, next we have the early morning sky that is shown as cloudless in another picture. Next case is of belt flowery Troilus Valley. So next there is a picture of beautiful Troilus Valley, that is a region in the Austrian Alpine province. Dear students, as the name suggests, belt flowery, that means this valley is adorned with flowers. So class, open-handed map awarding the world its world. That means the world which divides this world into countries big and small, symbolically gives the children the whole world. But my dear students, all these pictures have no meaning to these impoverished, to these malnourished, to these children, these poor children. No, not at all. Actually, the world depicted on these walls is not the world of these slum children. So, dear student, actually, in reality, their world does not have any huge domes or prosperity or any scenic beauty presented in the picture. Unfortunately, where all the futures painted with a fog, that means their world is painted with fog. And fog here is a symbol of hopelessness and hunger. It means their future is not clear. It's grim, it's uncertain, and it is already sealed. Here we have a word lead sky, that means sealed with a dark and dull sky. So please try to understand the last line. Far, far from rivers, capes, and stars of words. It means the poet again says that their world is far away from the actual world of rivers and capes, and these things are like stars in the sky. We cannot touch the stars. Same is a case of these children also, that they are very far from the actual world of rivers and capes.